Now I know. Look, a butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful. There are many kinds of butterflies, of many different colors. But when butterflies are young, they look very different. Butterflies lay eggs. Inside, something is growing. Caterpillars crawl out of the eggs. The caterpillars start eating leaves. Some caterpillars are smooth, and some are bumpy or hairy. A caterpillar eats and eats. It grows bigger and bigger. At last, the caterpillar stops eating. Its skin starts to come off. A hard shell starts to form. Inside the shell, the caterpillar is becoming a butterfly. Crack! Now what is happening? Something is coming out of the shell. It is a butterfly. After a while, the butterfly spreads its wings and flies away. This is a monarch butterfly. It is orange and black. This is a swallowtail butterfly. It is brown and yellow. This is a sulfur butterfly. And this is a cabbage butterfly. Butterflies love flowers. They get their food from flowers. All day long, butterflies go from flower to flower. It's fun to watch them fly. And if you see a funny caterpillar crawling, remember, someday it may become a beautiful butterfly.
Did you know?
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 Did you know? Did you know? Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know?
There's a wonderful world around us. Want to know some strange and wacky facts about butterflies? Then watch and listen.
Did you know?
Did you know?
Well, now you know.
Did you know that there are between 15 and 20,000 different kinds of butterflies? The smallest is no wider than your little finger. The largest measures nearly a foot, or 30 centimeters, from the tip of one wing to the tip of the other. Did you know that the wings of butterflies are covered with scales? The scales are powdery and can easily rub off. Did you know that most butterflies have two antennae, each with a bump or a knob at the end? A butterfly smells with its antennae. That's how it finds food and a mate. Did you know that butterflies have compound eyes? Each eye is made up of thousands of separate lenses, and each lens sees something different. They work together to help the butterfly see all around. Did you know that a butterfly has a tube-like mouth that it uses like a straw? The butterfly sucks nectar from flowers. When the tube is not in use, it coils up under the butterfly's head. Did you know that butterflies have veins in their wings? The veins are filled mainly with air. They act like ribs to help support the wings. Did you know that butterflies can taste with their feet? At the end of each leg are two claws and hairy pads. The butterfly uses the hairs as taste organs. Did you know that when it is too cold, butterflies cannot fly? They must shiver to warm their wings or wait for the sun to raise their temperature so they can fly. Did you know that a butterfly takes 4 different forms in its life? First, it is an egg. Second, it is a caterpillar. Third, it is a pupa or chrysalis. And fourth, it is an adult butterfly. This is called metamorphosis. Did you know that many female butterflies lay their eggs on special kinds of plants? There may be hundreds of tiny eggs, and they stick to the leaves of the plant. Did you know that after a caterpillar hatches, it eats its eggshell? Then it eats the leaf the egg was laid on. It keeps on eating and growing for at least 2 weeks. Did you know that a caterpillar grows so fast that it is soon too big for its own skin? A new skin grows inside the old skin. Then the old skin splits and the caterpillar crawls out. Did you know that you can tell a butterfly from a moth by the way it holds its wings when it is resting? Most butterflies rest with their wings up over the back, but most moths rest with their wings out to the side. Did you know that another difference between butterflies and moths is that they are active at different times? Most butterflies fly during the day, but most moths fly at night. Did you know that monarch butterflies migrate or travel south when winter comes? They may start in Canada. The largest butterfly, Queen Alexandra's birdwing, is one of the swallowtails.